15 years ago, a phenolic fire test helped shape the future of Thermaduct. And today, we're putting that same idea to the test again with Thermatuff. For this demonstration, a steel nut is placed directly on a 12 by 12-inch Thermatuff Phenolic insulation panel. An oxyacetylene torch is then used to heat the steel until it becomes red hot. As the test runs, watch the material's reaction closely. You'll see limited smoke and minimal surface reaction as the 80-micron aluminum facing is burnt away. This 1-inch Thermatuff panel provides an R6 insulated value, making for a low thermal transfer. We also have two additional thicknesses that provide either an R8 or R12 for outdoor applications. As you can see, the Thermatuff panel maintains its integrity under intense localized heat. This is due to the 2550 flame and smoke spread rating required by fire codes for duct and insulation. At the end of the demonstration, the steel nut is glowing red, making the heat involved easy to see. But when the panel is lifted, you can see it is performed with minimal thermal transfer and effects through the material. In fact, it's even cool to the touch. Can your insulation do that? When the backside temperature is checked, the reading is under 100 degrees. That's the kind of performance that continues to drive our work forward. Whether used as ductwork or a duct liner, Thermatuff delivers fire performance and thermal protection that exceeds expectations. Talk to your local Thermaduct representative for more information.